So here's what I did. I tried to take notes of my garden because I tend to forget even if I'm making videos. And today I just was not, because I wanted to just enjoy this and get it done and not worry about, you know, how long it's taking or whatever. So here it is. Let me back up a little. And I'll just tell you what I planted. And as you can see, I pulled out the cardboard that was covering, and so I'll be able to extend the garden in different places with the cardboard that I have available. So let's start down here. I just watered it all down. Here comes this sunflower. So I'm saying goodbye to my zinnias, but I'm about to say hello to this sunflower. So if you're a gardener, you know that you never want nothing in the garden. So that's why I love living here, and that's what I try to make happen. So let me see if I can remember. Let me begin again. Okay, so we have kale all right here. Then this is all carrots here. Then I have all the Bloomsdale spinach here. Then here is all purple Brussels sprouts, and here is green Brussels sprouts. Okay, and then here's our peas. Two kinds of peas that I have. One kind is on either side of this. Such a nice breeze today. I just had to be out here. I've been out here since like 7:30 this morning. Alright, and then the other peas, I think the sugar snap peas, go down here. I've never grown peas. I'm so excited. I used to eat them as a child in Oregon. Okay, I better go over there. I gotta go through the fence. Still putting out some little bell peppers here. So here in front of me, I have broccoli. This is all broccoli. Then I did another little method over here where I cut or poked holes in the cardboard. And this is green cabbage and purple cabbage. And then stepping over here, this little row that I uncovered here is collard greens. Now if you look back over here where we transplanted strawberries a few months ago, strawberries are doing good. And right here I put turnips, and right through here I put some radishes over here. But the strawberries are doing great, and these will get covered over the winter. But I'm really happy with how these have made it. Here comes the sun. So it's still pretty hot, but I figured these seeds need some warmth to germinate. Hopefully by the time they come up and they're showing leaves, the weather has cooled off a little, and you know, we'll be good. But you never know if you don't put your seeds in. So I'll let you know. Thank you for tuning in. Stay happy. So there's this great breeze blowing. I'm really hot and the kids are inside. So do you know what that means? It means I'm going in. It's almost October. It's time to get in this pool. So it's the next morning. Good morning, good morning. It's pretty early. I came out to go ahead and get this nice and moist because it's going to be hot again today. And watering the garden is just so peaceful. So what I was going to tell you is that underneath my compost, when I put water in it, because I put a little water in it now and then, I found some juice leaking out, compost juice. So I put some buckets underneath, and now I have some yummy compost slurry, and I'm going to mix it with water and put it on the garden here in the new spots, just real lightly, probably tomorrow morning. As it's watering, just to kind of put some nutrients down in there for the seeds that are going to be growing and needing it. So I don't have any compost ready, and I do want to feed this ground, even though underneath this I always put down compost or a dead plant or something to feed what's beneath. you know, you just feel that urge to like give it a little boost. I still don't know when to feed my plants, so I just feed them. I get the soil ready with compost in the beginning so I don't have to worry about feeding them, and it's my hope that the worms that are happy underneath there will feed them. You know, they're making the best food for them, those worms are. So a little water for the birds and the bees and the butterflies. And I gotta try to reach down there, so I'm gonna have to go around here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I appreciate you watching. Happy growing, and I will see you when they start to pop up. Is that pretty good? Hey, stop. Okay, okay.